Imagine a place where you can control the products, prices, and the shopping experience. Today, we are breaking down everything you need to start your very own supermarket. From choosing the right location to understanding the finances, we have got you covered. Ready to turn the supermarket dream into reality? Let's dive in and make it happen. Now, deciding your store type is really important. You need to decide whether to start a physical or online supermarket store because each has its own set of advantages and challenges. Before starting, let's look into some key steps to plan your supermarket. Number 1, products to offer. Decide on the variety of products that you want to offer. Secondly, cost of inventory. Plan your initial stock and investment. Third, product pricing. Set competitive prices. Fourth, competitor analysis. Study your competitors. Fifth, location, which is really important. Choose a strategic location. Sixth, finance management. Plan your budget and finances. Coming to the investment part. Starting a supermarket requires a significant investment ranging from 10 lakhs to several crores according to your budget, depending on the size and scale of your store. Decide if you want to start a hypermarket or supermarket. Now, how to manage the finances? Post-Union Budget 2024, there are easier loans available for startups and businesses. Take advantage of these financial options to fund your supermarket. Now, how to choose the right location? Location is very crucial for a supermarket. Ensure the place is easily identifiable and accessible to the customers. Don't opt for short-term rentals. Aim for a lease of at least 5 to 10 years. A space of around 3,000 to 4,000 square feet is ideal. Now, what are the registrations and licenses required? Register your business under a suitable ownership model or a sole proprietorship, partnership, etc. Obtain a trade license. Comply with Shops and Establishment Act of 1953. Get an FSSAI license for food safety. GST registration is compulsory. Coming to the design and sustainability, interior design. Ensure convenient interiors with racks and shelves are highly modified. Sustainability. Incorporate sustainable practices to attract eco-conscious customers. Coming to hiring staff, you need to hire a reliable team to run your supermarket efficiently. Like you need cashier, stock keepers, cleaners. Selecting vendors and wholesalers. Build a network of reliable vendors and wholesalers to supply your products. Negotiate the best price to maintain a competitive edge. Coming to the marketing part of your supermarket. Offers and discounts play a huge role if you want to start a supermarket. Attract customers with your offers like Loss Leader, where you hike the prices of some of the product and get really good discounts in some other product. Promotions. Use social media for local advertisement and promotion of your store. Now, coming to the most important part, profit. With a well-executed plan, you can expect a profit margin of around 20 to 30%. But still, it depends. Consistent quality and customer satisfaction are key to maintaining profitability. Cutting it short, coming to the conclusion, starting a supermarket might seem like a huge task, but with the right plan and tools, you can build a thriving business that serves your community and brings in you great profits. So let's get right into it. Here's your ultimate guide to starting a supermarket from scratch. There we come to an end after some important tips for starting a supermarket. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Drop your questions in the comment section below, and if you have any suggestions and ideas, I'll be happy to help you on your journey and starting a successful business. See you soon in another interesting episode. Please do take care. Have a nice day. It's Meghla Kannan signing off.